Hello guys, it's How to Everyday here. Today's video is a bit different from the usual videos. That's because I wanted to let you guys know that sometimes life is not as easy as it seems. It becomes even hard when you feel like you have failed your loved ones and yourself. I've been through so many disappointments and challenges in life that I sometimes even wonder what's there for me to live for. But despite having these thoughts, I am not going to give up fighting. YouTube is the best thing that has happened to me. And as a result, I'm going to keep learning and growing until I become one of the best content creators on this platform. I'm going to win this mental battle, and I just want to say to everyone who's in a similar situation that victory is ours. Don't give up. I love you all. And just like always, until next time.